Hi guys, and welcome back to Tech Finesse. This time I'm going to be talking about an aerator for the lawn. After doing quite a lot of research, I found that the cause of moss, a lot of that is down to the condition of the soil being compact, not letting the water soak away or drain through it. Is certainly part of the issue when it comes to moss, along with other things and shade and general care. But my care of the lawn is generally pretty good. Um, so research led me to aerating the lawn. Now there are different types. You can just use a spike. You can use machines. I do have a scarifier, but that doesn't really aerate the lawn as such. It's just scooping the surface and the thatch. So this uh, was a hollow tine aerator, which basically means it doesn't just spike holes in there, but it also gives an actual cutout. So it takes a plug of soil out of the ground, and that allows for air, water, nutrition, or nutrients, should I say, to get down into the depths of the soil. Um, that is meant to help with getting roots to grow down rather than just across the surface or shallow, and also helping keep the really wet conditions on top of the surface away, so the water can drain away, which, like I said, is a big problem when it comes to moss. So as you can see, this one is a force spike. I bought this from eBay. There are similar ones on Amazon. A lot of them don't have a cutout. This one has a cutout on each of the spikes, which is meant to allow the core to eject. More on that in a little bit. But this was £27, which is probably around $35, which was a reasonable price. On Amazon, they were 30 to 35 with next day delivery if you've got Prime. It comes with a little tool to declog and also weed, which was very handy actually. So let's give it a whirl and you'll see how I get on. As you can see here, it is quite hard to get in. The ground was probably quite wet, which means the mud was cloggy, and it was certainly clogging up those spokes. That being said, it wasn't as hard or as difficult as I thought it was going to be. You certainly do need to declog it every now and again, but I will try again when the weather is a bit better. It had been raining the night before, which isn't ideal. So you can see there a little plug that's come out of the ground. Um, they're pretty nice sizes actually. They're not too big, not too small, and certainly not noticeable once you're looking at it from the side at an angle rather than directly on top. So I'm going to go through this and give this lawn a go. I will update in a few weeks' time and see if it made any difference. Thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe to help support this channel. Thank you.